I don't think you have to be an Olympian or even an athlete to have a coach. We all need people in our lives who can help us get over the hurdles that we face every day. But sometimes, even with the best support system, we still find ourselves stuck. That was definitely true for me. There was a point in my life where I was just going through the motions, doing what I thought I was supposed to do, being with the person I thought I was supposed to be with, living the life I thought I was supposed to live, and in the quiet moments, I would feel this overwhelming sense of loneliness. I had all these thoughts racing through my head, like I'm not good enough, or I'm not beautiful enough, or I'm not smart enough. And it got to a point where I couldn't take it anymore. I needed to make a change, but I didn't know what to do. That's when I found out about therapy, and I reached out to a therapist. And just like that, everything changed because I finally had someone to talk to. Someone who could help me work through all the thoughts and feelings that I've been holding on to for so long. It was like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders. I felt lighter, happier, and more at peace than I had ever felt before. But then something unexpected happened. My therapist moved away. I was devastated. I didn't know how I was going to cope without her, but I knew I had to keep going. So I started looking for a new therapist, and that's when I found out about this app. The first time I logged on, I was matched with a therapist. We talked about what I was going through and how I was feeling, and she helped me develop coping mechanisms to deal with the stress and anxiety that I was experiencing. It was amazing. But then she too had to leave the company for personal reasons, and I was once again left without a therapist. I was feeling hopeless. I didn't know how I was going to move forward, but then I was given the opportunity to be matched with another therapist on the app. I was skeptical, but I agreed. This therapist was different from the first one. She took a more holistic approach to therapy, taking into account my physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. She helped me develop healthy habits and routines and taught me how to meditate. I was hesitant at first, but I gave it a try. And it helped me feel more grounded and present in my life. As the months went by, I started to feel like myself again. I was more confident, happier, and had a renewed sense of purpose. Looking back, I can honestly say that therapy saved my life. If it wasn't for the support and guidance of my therapist, I don't know where I would be today. So if you're struggling, please know that you're not alone. There is help available and things can get better. You just have to take the first step and reach out.